Millions of Americans watch short Amazon review videos before they buy anything. But what if you could create those videos automatically using AI and get paid every time someone clicks your link? I tried the new AI review video automation system, and my first week brought $327 with zero filming. Today, I'm sharing the full blueprint you can copy and start free. I'll show you how AI review videos actually work. Then you'll see the full step-by-step system from product selection to upload. After that, I'll show how affiliate links generate commissions in the US market. Finally, I'll reveal mistakes to avoid and how to scale this into $100 to $400 per day. Welcome back to Side Hustle Nation, where I test real ways to make money in America. Today's system is perfect for beginners who want a faceless online income. You don't need to buy products, show your face, or use a camera. This is a 2025 friendly method anyone in the US can start today. Let's start with what the Amazon Review Video Automation System actually is. Our goal here is very simple. We take trending Amazon products, use AI tools to generate review-style videos, and upload them across multiple platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram Reels. When American viewers watch your review and click your affiliate link, you get paid a commission from Amazon associates. This income multiplies especially during peak buying seasons like winter, holiday sales, and back-to-school periods in the US. The reason this works so well in 2025 is because short-form content has completely changed buyer behavior in America. Over 60% of US shoppers say they search TikTok or YouTube Shorts for product reviews before buying. These platforms don't care about your followers. They care about watch time and relevance. So if your review video is helpful, clean, and curiosity-based, the algorithm pushes it to thousands of buyers without needing a social media presence. Now let's talk about product selection, which is the hardest part for beginners. You must choose winners that Americans already buy in huge numbers. Categories that convert the fastest are home gadgets, kitchen tools, pet products, desk accessories, beauty devices, travel gear, seasonal items, gift ideas, and trending TikTok finds. These categories have strong search intent, meaning people aren't just browsing, they're one step away from buying. To find the best-selling products, you can use Amazon bestsellers, movers and shakers, Google Trends, or even TikTok's trending products feed. After selecting a product, your job is to gather real reviews and key selling points from Amazon's listing. You don't need to own the product. You only need the information. AI tools can then convert this information into a narrated script, voiceover, and video. Now let's talk about how the video is made. AI generation tools today can create faceless product demos, animated mock-ups, and review-style explicable visuals without you touching a camera. Combine these AI visuals with CapCut templates, text overlays, and a US accent AI voiceover. The result is a clean, professional review clip that looks like a real product demonstration. These videos take less than 5 minutes to make but can bring continuous affiliate income when posted consistently. The key to making these videos convert in the US is structuring them properly. Start with a strong hook such as Amazon's viral kitchen gadget everyone is buying. Follow with a quick feature section like why Americans love it. Then show benefits in bullet form. Close with a call to action like link in bio to check today's price. This structure boosts both retention and click-through rate. Now let me explain the math so you understand how the money works. Amazon Associates pays between 2% and 10% depending on category. Kitchen and home products are between 3% and 4.5%. Beauty products are higher. Electronics are lower but have huge volume. If your video gets 20,000 views and just 100 people click your link, and 10 buy an item worth $20 to $40, your earnings could be around $30 to $70 from one video. But when you upload 3 to 5 videos daily, that turns into $100 to $400 per day. And here's the secret most beginners don't realize. Your affiliate link works for everything the buyer purchases within 24 hours, not just the product you reviewed. So someone may click your pet grooming brush link but end up buying a vacuum phone case, shoes, and snacks. You receive commission for the entire cart. That's why US affiliate creators love Amazon Associates. Buyers shop impulsively and often. Now let's talk about uploading. Post every video on 4 main platforms: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest Idea Pins. Each platform reaches a different type of American viewer. TikTok has impulse buyers, YouTube has researchers, Instagram has casual shoppers, and Pinterest has planners. By posting everywhere, you multiply your chances of hitting the right audience for every product. Consistency matters more than perfection. You don't need Hollywood editing, you need speed, clarity, and quantity. Post 3 videos a day, and after 30 days you'll have 90 pieces of content circulating in the US buying ecosystem. Even if only 10 of those videos perform well, you have a passive income system running. Now let's cover the automation part. Once you build your script template, voiceover style, and editing style, everything becomes repeatable. You can create a full review in under 4 minutes. Tools like ChatGPT for script writing, 11 Labs for voiceovers, CapCut for editing, and Amazon for product research handle most of the workload. That means even beginners with no experience or equipment can do this. Let's discuss mistakes most creators make. Do not choose random products. Only review items that have high demand and positive reviews. Do not create long, boring videos. Keep your edits sharp and under 20 seconds for shorts. Do not spam keywords. Instead, use smart tagging. Do not expect results in the first 3 days. The US market rewards consistency, not bursts of energy. Now, let me share one of the best strategies I discovered during testing. If you take Amazon customer photos and place them into a slideshow review format with an iVoiceover, the video performs extremely well because it feels authentic. American audiences trust real customer experience more than polished brand content. Using these UGC-style reviews triggers emotional buying behavior. Another powerful trick is creating comparison videos like This or That, Top 3 Amazon Kitchen Gadgets, or Best Gifts Under $20. These videos get massive watch time because Americans love ranking content. More watch time equals more pushes by YouTube or TikTok, which equals more clicks and more commissions. Here's a scaling plan for the next 30 days. Week 1. Find 5 niches and create your templates. Week 2. Make 20 videos and upload daily. Week 3. Analyze which categories US viewers respond to the most. Week 4. Double down on your best performing niche. By the end of 1 month, you'll have a complete faceless Amazon review channel that runs without needing your face, voice, or product inventory. Your only job is staying consistent and following the buyer mindset of American consumers. Focus on trending items, seasonal demand, high reviews, and problem-solving products. These convert the best because they solve real lifestyle needs. Combine this with AI automation, and you have one of the easiest beginner-friendly online income systems available in 2025. This AI Amazon review system proves that anyone in the US can make faceless income in 2025. You just need consistency, good product selection, and smart automation. If this video helped you, hit like and comment I Hustle Mode. Subscribe to Side Hustle Nation for more real tested ways to earn online.